Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris. Today I'm going to do an update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price because we have an emergency update. As we can see, before a couple hours we saw the Bitcoin price pumping upwards over $23,000, but right now, as it seems, we retested this $23,000 area, and right now, of course, we found weakness and we're moving to the downside. I told you guys I prepared you on my Ethereum video, and also I'm actually updating you in my Twitter. That's why you should follow me on Twitter, because hour by hour I'm doing updates there, and that's why you should follow me if you would like to know what's happening inside of the day. And guys, right now you can clearly see the Bitcoin price again at $22,864, and we're heading straight to $22,500. And guys, on this video I'm going to show you lots of bearish patterns that's flashing, because we have more indicators that flashed bearish, and I'm going to show you everything on this video, plus the targets that I focus on as the next move. So guys, if you would like to know in the mid long term where we're gonna get, and of course what's the next move in the short term, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. Before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because guys, with this way you help me a lot to push the video to more people via YouTube algorithm. And with a very simple process of daily like, daily comments, I share with your friends, you actually are helping me a lot. And a big thank you to everyone who participated to this support and love, guys. Appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And let's dive straight to the 4-hour time frame to begin our analysis, because we have lots of things to cover out on this video. As you know, guys, we're forming two patterns right now, two bearish patterns. The first one is this rise wedge pattern, and the second one is this double top position. The rise wedge pattern had a breakout at exactly area of $23,350 around here. And if you remember, I prepared you for this kind of a drop when the price actually of the Bitcoin was around $24,000. I told you that we're going to see Bitcoin dropping to the support, and of course we're going to have a breakout to the downside, because guys, you know my opinion, I remain bearish. I told you from many days, I'm preparing you that all this kind of time that happened the last couple of days, last couple of weeks, is the biggest bull trap that ever happened on this bear market. Okay, and I had prepared you for those things. And the reason that I was bearish every day, guys, is the reason because lots of people of you had the fake belief that this pump is going to be a sustainable pump, and of course we're gonna finish the end of the bear market. But guys, it's exactly the opposite. This is not the end of the bear market, and we're gonna continuously and dive into more maximum pain in the next coming months. And I have been telling you these things many days ago, many weeks ago, because the fundamentals, guys, I remain bearish. That's why this is why very important to understand the fundamentals, because with that way you're gonna have the right prediction for the next move, especially in the mid long term. Because as you know, guys, I don't focus on the short term. I have been telling you these things lots of times, that I don't focus, I don't care how much I'm gonna see a pump in the next a day or two, because I know in the mid long term we're gonna see a huge crash on the price on the Bitcoin. So without losing more time, let's focus here. As you can clearly see, we have a very strong support area, which is the $22,500. And guys, if we're gonna see Bitcoin touching this support area, and we're gonna see a breakout to this area, which I believe that if we're gonna touch it for as you can clearly see, we have to retest it many times. If we're gonna touch it for one more time, I believe here we're gonna have a huge breakout, because right now we have lots of indicators that's flashing bearish, plus the fundamentals are extremely bearish, and this kind of pump that's happening up to $24,000 cannot be justified. Okay, it's clearly manipulate pump that happened by whales, hypers, traders who long their positions, and all this kind of hype thing about the end of the bear market. But whales right now are going to sell off, and the traders and the firmware is gonna wreck out very badly, and this is the sad story around these things. So as I told you before, we're gonna retest this $22,500, and I am expecting a lot to see the breakout to the downside. And if this breakout is gonna happen, we are going straight to the technical price target of this rise wedge pattern, which, as you know from yesterday, is the $20,600 area, exactly here, around $20,700 within $20,600. Okay, this is exactly the area that we're gonna get if we're gonna break this support. And I believe, if you remember, that if we're gonna break this one, probably we're gonna see, guys, a free fall straight to $21,000, straight to $21,000, $21,000 within $21,500. And guys, also here in the 4-hour time frame, we have this double top position, especially it's forming very well also in the 8-hour time frame. Yesterday I think I showed you the 8-hour time frame, but right now I'm gonna show you the 4-hour time frame, because here, as you can clearly see, we retested the resistance, and we're moving right now because we found, of course, weakness to surpass. It was like a retracement, and right now we're getting straight to the baseline, which, as you can clearly see here, we found for the first time we found weakness to break it. But right now, guys, I think that Bitcoin is really promising to break to the downside, because we're gonna have lots of whales sell off. So if you're gonna break, guys, this support area, which is the base of this double top position, you're gonna see with your eyes that the technical price target of this double top position is exactly the $21,200 area. And of course, if we're gonna break the $22,750, we will need to also retest the $22,500. Okay, and this is gonna play a big role. And basically, guys, this one, the $22,500, is the strongest support that we should focus, because here probably this time we're gonna break it very easy, this support line, but we're gonna see some strength here on $22,500. But if it's gonna break it, we're gonna move to the downside. And right now, guys, I'm gonna give you all my justifications why we're gonna see a free fall on the market back to $21,000. First of all, we have, guys, in the EMA rebound in the 4-hour time frame, we're going for a flip. And this flip is very reliable and very important, because this flip is gonna get us back and under of $22,000. Okay, guys, it's very, very important, and this is why you should pay big attention to this flip. Also, we have the super trend indicator that just flashed bearish. As you can clearly see here, we saw a super trend indicator flash bearish, which is also a very reliable indicator. And guys, I would like to show you in the 1-hour time frame, which I did a tweet before a couple of minutes, and I explained you that from this indicator, EMA rebound, we found a big weakness to surpass the resistance of the EMA rebound. Zoom in and you're gonna understand what I'm talking about. As you can clearly see, guys, we jumped back to this EMA rebound to retest it as a resistance, and we found weakness, and right now we're going with this reversal straight to this $22,500 area. Okay, I did a tweet about it, that we couldn't that we didn't able to surpass this EMA rebound and flip the price. And that's actually very, very bearish, with other words. And as we clearly see the exponential moving average, we saw the flip before a couple hours, and it's looking also bearish. Everything is bearish, guys. And right now I'm gonna put the daily time frame, because here we have the most bearish and most reliable things, which is the first of all is the RSI, which getting lower and lower. As you can clearly see, we're moving straight to an oversold position. I had predicted that. I had been telling you guys in every video that we're gonna see from overbought position in the daily time frame straight to an oversold position, and right now it's happening exactly how I predicted. Okay, all these things are very predictable, and if you see the Bitcoin price under $20,000, guys, I had predicted for that. Okay, the only sad story, as I told you before, is that I will see people without money because they had long their positions, and probably they're gonna get liquidated very, very easily. Okay, and that's the sad thing. Guys, the last indicator I'm gonna show you, which is the MACD, and as you know, I rely a lot on this indicator, and I had told you that we're gonna see this flip before we saw the flip. Okay, when we had this bullish territory, I told you be ready, because the next coming days we're gonna see the flip, and the flip happened, and with that flip we saw the Bitcoin price getting lower and lower levels. And that's all, guys. That's all. Simply analysis. I focus on fundamentals. Fundamentals are bearish, and that's why I'm predicting the next move, and that's why I was telling you that this kind of pump is nothing else than another bull trap, which actually on this area it was the biggest bull trap that ever happened in this bear market. And if you remember, guys, I was the first guy who flipped the downtrend movement to bullish action, and I told you that we're gonna see a pump, imminent pump on the price. But I had a limit of $70,300, if you remember well, $70,500, and I told you that the rest pump that happened, it happened by big whales and some other events that happen on these days. But I had analyzed this in the past, so you can go watch my previous videos to understand exactly what I have been telling you in these areas. So guys, this is exactly the video. I don't want to keep it too long, so I'm gonna close this video here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question, and I will be happy to reply it. And see ya, guys, tomorrow with a fresh updates. Follow me on Twitter, and until the next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.